Keep going, that's it. Planks are coming out. Good, last 4. Squat, squat, exploding, exploding. Down we go. In that plank position. So warm up set, holding it there. Forearms, the hands. Oh, holding it strongly with the hands or forearms. Go. Down, up, down, up. So last one for our warm up set. And then we're going to get into the next one. Up, up we go. Straight back down. Ringa, tītaha. That's it, keeping that body nice and straight, that core nice and tight. Alright, we're going to have a quick 20-second break while I explain the next set. And then we're going to get into that set straight away. So what we're going to do is, you would have seen that I put the Maungawhau, the peke maunga, so that's just our mountain climbers, into a burpee. So we're going to do 4 mountain climbers and then 1 burpee. So we're on all fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down we go and up into a burpee. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat and up. As the first exercise. Second one we're going to do is just that walk up press up that we do for the warm up. Walking it out, pressing it up, then standing it back up. Nice and tall. That's number 2. Number 3 is going to be Whātoro tītaha, which is our side lunges. So we're just lunging it, keeping that the leg on the inner side, nice and straight, and leaning on the outer leg. Cool. And then number 4 is going to be touching our toes. Now we're going to do the ones where we're alternating, touching those toes, legs nice and straight all the way up. If those ones are a little bit too easy, then you can go for these toe touches instead. Cool. And then our last one we're going to do is our froggies. So bend, extend, elbows touching the knees, nice and low, then nice and tall, take it straight, shoulders are back. Any questions? No, we're ready to go? Cool, we're going to start with our mountain climbers, 4 mountain climbers, and then 1 burpee. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and start. Down we go. Into those mountain climbers. 4, 3, 2, 1, down and up. Let's go. 1, 2, 4, down and up. Good. Tahi rua tori wha. Kinaro. Kira. Good. Tahi rua tori wha. Kinaro. Kira. That's it. Let's go. 4 mountain climbers, 1 burpee. Let's go. Good. Drive those legs forward. Keep that body nice and straight. And try not to stick your butt in the air. Drive those legs forward. Good. Keep going. We've got 10 to go. We're going to be moving on to our walk up press ups. Keep going. Down and up. Alright, walking those hands out and pressing it up. Keep waiting up. Whātoro. Keep waiting 2. Good, so walking those hands out. So next make this a bit bigger. Good. That's it. We're just going to minimize that. Good. That's better. See everybody. Keep going. Walking those hands out, pressing it up. Get that nose as close as you can to the ground. And then walking those hands up, standing it up nice and tall. Good. Walking it down and standing it up. That's the one. That whole time. Walking it out, standing it up. Side lunges are coming up. Keep going. Push it all the way down. Walking it up. Good. Walk it back down. All right, side lunges. So the leg on the outside is bending, keeping that inner leg in the middle. Nice and straight. Good, lunge, 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 keep those shoulders back. And that leg on the inside. Nice and straight. Leaning as low as you can into that side lunge. Good, that's it. Nice, shoulders back. Just the legs are dropping. Good, keep going. You're doing well. That's it. Side, side, side. Nice and straight. Good, keep going. Side to side. We've got our toe touches coming up on our back. Alternating those toe touches. Let's go. Up to you whether your legs are straight touching those legs or whether you're on your back touching one leg at a time. Reaching for those toes. That's it. Nice control. Good. Squeeze coming up. Relax coming down. Good. That's it. That whole time. Awesome. Reach and relax. Reach and relax. Good. Keep going. Squeezing it up and relax coming down. Got our froggies coming up very shortly. Keep going. That's it. Reach for those toes. Reach for the sky. Tītaha, straight legs. That's it. Good. Nearly there. Keep going. Good. Up again into those froggies. Remember elbows on those knees. Bending as low as we can. Standing nice and straight. Good. That's it. Go bend and extend. That's it. Bend and extend. Bend and extend. That's it. Go. Let's go. Working as quick as you can. That's it. Shoulders are back. Back's nice and straight. Keep going. Keep going. Don't follow me if I'm looking at the camera. Just making sure that I can see everybody. Go. That's it. Keep going. Down and up. Down and up. Keep going. Even if you need to slow it down. Should be burning a little bit. Push it through. 10 to go. Keep going. We've got our mountain climber, our Maungawhau Tarapēpeke, which is our mountain climber burpees coming up. Keep going. All right, down we go. Go 4, 3, 2, 1. Down and up. Good. Back down we go. Whātoro. Down and up. That's it. Down, kiraro, jump it up, peke, Whātoro, tahi, kiraro, and jump it up. That's it, let's go. Tahi, Whātoro, kiraro, peke, that's it. Straight back down. Tahi, Whātoro, kiraro, kirunga. That's it, working at your pace, quick as you can. Keep going, keep going. Next one. Then we're doing those walk up press ups. Keep going. Whātoro tahi. Kiraro. Peke. Walking those hands out for that press up. Down we go. Walk, walk, walk. Kikowhiti, ringa. Kiraro. Press it up. Walking it back up. Good. Down we go. Walk, walk, walk. Kiraro. Keep going, that's it, good. Pressing it up. Standing it up. Nice and tall. All the way back down, keep going. That's it. Kiraro. Back up. Kirunga. Go, doing well, keep going. Pushing it up. And standing up. Nice and tall. Ringa tika and toro tika. Tall and straight. Good, shoulders are back. Tight as for me. That's it. Keep going. Our side lunges. Whātoro tītaha. Leg on the inside. Nice and straight. Just bending one on the outside, bending into that lunge. Keep those shoulders back, and down we go. Good. That's it. Awesome. Keep going. That's it. Maiwi, left. Mato, right. Maiwi, and Mato. Maiwi, Mato. Good, keep going. Going back. Maiwi, and Mato. Good. That's it. Keep going. We've got our toe touches coming out. Maiwi, Maiwi. Good, down we go. Touching those toes. Legs nice and straight. And reach. Okay, that's it. Reach for those toes. And relax. Good. Reach. Relax. Reach. Relax. That's it. Good. Doing well. Nearly finished our second one. Do that whole time. That's it. Good. Touch that toe. Relax it down. Good. Maiwi is left. Mato is right. Touching that Maiwi toe and then that Mato toe. Left and right. Good. Get those froggies coming up. Keep going. Touching. I Ngā matiwae. All right, up again. Into those froggies. Good, let's go. Ngā Poraka, which is our froggies. Elbows touching those knees, shoulders are back, bend and extend. Trying to get as low as we can, then going as straight as we can. Those froggies. Good. Really working those thighs, those hammies, those legs. Good. Channel that inner poraka, that inner frog within you. Good, keep going. We've got one more of each, and then we've done our set for our EMOM, or IMITM. IMITM is what I call it, every minute on the minute. Good, keep going. Yeah, nearly there. 3, 2, 1, down for those mountain climbers, burpee. Whātoro rua tahi. Of those mountain, Whakimona, ki raro, ki runga. That's it, let's go. Whātoro rua tahi, ki raro, ki runga. Ano, tahi, ki raro, ki runga. That's it, keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1, down and up. So our last time doing each one, let's finish it strong, right to the end. Good, let's go. Whātoro rua tahi, ki raro, ki runga. That's it, let's go. Whātoro rua tahi, ki raro, ki runga. Nearly there, that's it. Keep going. And then we've got our walk-up press-ups coming up. All right, let's go. Walking those hands out, pressing it up, walking them back out, standing up nice and tall. Good. Let's go. Pressing, and then all the way, standing nice and tall. Go. Press it. Standing up. That's it, good. Pressing it up. Standing it up nice and tall. Back down we go. Last time doing this exercise, finish it strong. Right to the end, press it up. Stand it up tall. Good, straight back down. Press it up. Strong chest. Standing up tall. Go back into it. Let's go. Good work, guys. Keep going. All right, we're into those side lunges. Whātoro tītaha. Remember, we're going Maiwi and Mato. left, to right. Low as we can into that lunge, side lunge, legs straight. Good. Hands on your hips or head, wherever helps you get your balance. And you're breathing back. If you're breathing like me. Good, Whātoro, Maui, left. Mato, right. Left, Maui, and Mato. And then our Maui and Mato today, which is our left and our right. 10 to go. Keep going. Got our toe touches. Coming up. That's it. Deep as you can. Straight to the other side. All right, down we go. Alternating those toes. Reach for the sky. That's it. Go. All the way up and down. That's it. Good. Legs as straight as we can. And arms nice and straight too. Slow as we can. Touching each one. That's it. Good. Remember Maui, that left toe, Mato, right. Maui left, Mato right. Good. All the way up. And relax. Got our froggies, last froggies. Finish it strong. Floor up. EMOM. EMOM. Keep going, doing well. 5 to go. 2. All right, up we get. Last froggies. Hawkeye, bend. Torotika is extend. So shoulders are back. We're really bending nice and low. Yeah, make sure your enoi, which is sending out all of your prayers and requests for the day. In this position, your intentions. Go, let's go. Bend, extend. I really need like a big TV so I can see everybody's face. Nice and big. Right in front of me. Good, keep going. Bend, extend. Good, doing well. Nearly there. That's it. It's our last one for this set, for the EMOM, and then we've got our finisher to go. Good, bend and extend. Keep going. That's it. 20 seconds break. Very shortly. 2, 1. Good work. All right, 20 seconds break. Now I'm going to show you the last 2 that we're going to do. Our finisher, and it's going to be on our sides. So it's our side V-ups and our side planks. So it's just like a normal plank and a normal V-up, but it's on the side. So you're lying on the side, nice and straight. We bend both arms and legs up as far as we can, then relax. Bend and relax. Bend and relax. Then we're going to stay on that side and we're going to hold our body up and we're going to plank it on that side. If you want, you can rest one of your legs on the ground, the one that's closest to the ground, and hold it there. But otherwise, it's only 30-second sets. You can hold it up with your body to the front, body facing on the side, without leaning over. I'm going to do that. Any questions? We all good to go? Let's start with those side V-ups, lying on our side. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. On the side, we squeeze and release. Being it up. That's it. Go. Squeeze, release. That's it. All the way up. Squeeze, release. That's it. Good. Holding it nice and tight. Crunching it in there. So as we can on the release. That's it, 5 to go, and then we go into that plank. 2, 1. All right, bring one of those arms up. So rather holding that whole body up, or you can rest that leg closest to the ground on the ground if that's a bit easier. We're already 10 seconds through. 14 seconds through. Good, hold it strong. That's it. We're going to swap it over to the other side in 10 seconds. Hold it there, deep breaths. Good. 5, 3, 2, one. All right, swap it over. Let's go. In that V position. Arms nice and straight and crunch, release. Good. Crunch and release. Squeeze. Really squeezing in those obliques and release. Good. 10 to go, and then we go into a plank on that same side that we're on. That's it. Keep going. 2, 1, into that plank. Let's go. Same as the last one. You can rest that leg closest to the ground there if you can, if you want to. Otherwise, you're just going to hold it there. It's only 30 seconds. Deep breaths. Focus on that strong oblique. That's it. Go. 10 to go. I'm going to swap it back over to the other side. Finish with one more V-ups, plank on the other side, and then back here. All right, let's go. Squeeze and release. That's it. V up and relax. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Hopefully you can lift your legs a bit higher than myself. Good. Keep going. 10 to go, and then we're into that plank. That side plank. Good. 2, 1. All right. Up we go. Into that side plank, holding it strong. Get that body nice and straight on the side. Holding it strong. Strong arm. Strong oblique. That's it. Good. Deep breaths. Slow as you can. Bringing that heart rate back down. Good. 5 to go, and then we're going to swap it over to the other side. Our last one. All right, swap it over. V-ups. And double plank. We're going a little bit over time. It'll be just 5 minutes. Go. Squeeze and release. So it's our last one of the V-ups and the side plank on this side. 2, 1. All right, let's go. Our last little one. Holding it strong. That's it. Good. Deep breaths. Good. Doing well. Hold it strong. 10 to go. Hold it strong. Deep breaths. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good work. All right, we're going to go down, stretch those arms out while we're down on the mat. And tuck that head in, those arms as far forward as you can, really stretching out. Yeah, we're going to hold there. Rima, Whātoro, tahi coming forward, up at the ceiling or the sky, and stretching that back and that core. Good, holding it there. Rima, Whātoro, tahi. Just going to roll it over while we're down on the mat. And bring one leg in front and hug the other leg. Good, holding it there. Rima, Whātoro, tahi. Swap it over. Hugging that other leg. Good. Nice and close, nice and tight. Close as you can get it to the chest. Rima, Whātoro, tahi. Now we're going to just bring both those legs as close as we can to the chest and hugging it nice and tight. Good. Rima, Whātoro, tahi. Coming up, we're just going to stretch one side, leaning over. Good, holding it there. Rima, Whātoro, tahi. Over to the other side as far as we can. Stretching it over. Rima, Wha, toru, rua, tahi. Standing it up. And legs nice and straight, touching our toes. Matiwae. Rima. Wha, toru, rua, tahi. And a last little quad stretch. For rima. Wha, toru, rua, tahi. Swap it over to the other side. Holding up nice and tight. Good. Rima. Wha. Didn't think I'd warm up, but you know. Toru, rua, tahi. All right, give yourselves a big peke. Sorry, we like 4 minutes over 30 minutes, but how was that? Good? Oh, I didn't even see that. H. Muller joined us. Yeah. Wow, that's your first session. Woo! Woohoo! That was no excuse, Dave. No, I'm just good work. How was it, guys? Good.
Awesome, Nat.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool. Awesome. Well, you guys. And so KŌTAHITANGA was our little word for the day, which is even though we're afar, we're one in our ZuiFit today. So, yay. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe and keeping well. Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you. We're going to be back next Sunday. So, yeah. Look forward to it. All right. Ka kite. Have a good one.
Kia ora.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.